Peasant out, Pluto. Peasant out.
Ay, fuck all the cars, jump right on they ass, we tryna get cash, ayy. Gon' roll up a guard, hop right in the traffic, we doing the dash, ayy. We got them on clean up, don't touch a procedure, we getting it fast, ayy. We tryna break even and do it with reason, just don't wanna crash, ayy. Pull up, we light up that perk, see the hard work on my shirt, sweat in his eyes, let's be the vibe, baby just tryna get word, how you be smelling this gas.
What's going on YouTube? This Chaseway back with another video. In this video, as y'all can see, we got some sunglasses that I'm showing off right now. And shout out to the Boszvanity. Boszvanity. I gotta make sure I get this right, because now I am a brand ambassador of this company. Shout out to a very close friend of mine. She's actually a driver squad member. Shout out to her. She has this company, and moving forward, I'm going to be promoting her company, which is real nice, because I was looking for someone kind and genuine that I know that ain't gonna rip me off or nothing like that, that's gonna be able to provide like dope stuff. So that's one thing I'm very excited about it. And the dope thing about that, she gave me a coupon code, or like a code that you can use. I know I cut myself. I was like, dang, I feel like I cut myself, and I did. Oh. Well, anyway, you can use Chase 10 for 10% off, and okay, use Chase 10 for 10% off on everything on the website. The website will be right there. It also will be in the description down below. Make sure you follow and check her out on all social medias. Your mind is just blanking me. I want to say your name so bad, but I don't want to get it wrong either. And I don't think you have your name on here. Maya, that's your name. Shout out to Maya. Shout out to Maya for giving me this opportunity. She was looking for models, and I slid in the DMs. I was like, hey, I would like to be one of your models. You just tell me what is all your requirements, and from there we're gonna be able to do something dope. From there, I'll make sure I do my part, the hold up my end of the stick. And this is what I'm doing now. So now I'm going to be unboxing what's in this, so what y'all can expect, what's all going to come in these sunglasses, and I'm going to be giving y'all a review. And got this natural sunlight hitting too, so the sun gonna be coming right here. Y'all gonna be able to see these sunglasses in full effect. So let me take my little packing slip off, and then I'll be able to reposition the camera, and let's get into this video. as y'all can see, we got the sunglasses on right now. Y'all can see what's going on right now. These are, what are these called? So y'all can see exactly what these shades are called. I think I look real good in them. I mean, yeah, I really like the rectangular frames. These real nice. Let me so you just look down just a little bit. I'm sure I'll just keep them up. Hey, either way, it's busting. Yeah, I like these. These are called the Bosz OG brown frames. Got your shipping confirmation, your order number. I'm order number 1034. That's what's up. That's dope. And I'm gonna be talking about these more often. Like I said, you can use Chase 10 for 10% off. So make sure you buy some shades or some sunglasses that you like for 10% off. And other than that, we about to get these photo shoot on so y'all can see what this is hidden for. Instagram. Make sure y'all follow my Instagram. Make sure y'all follow her Instagram, her YouTube, all other social media and stuff like that. But I just like to say thank y'all for watching, and y'all just enjoy this little clip that I'm about to just show y'all. You know, this a little something of me just casually walking, me just sun gazing, not even being affected by the sun. But you see the sunglass protecting your most valuable asset. Thank y'all for watching, but stay tuned though. All right, let's go to this next scene.
It's Lil Jamie, nigga.
So we're gonna end this just like this. Let me come down to my level a little bit. You know, 5'5", focus right. Let me get y'all right. Let me get y'all right. We got that natural lighting, so y'all can see me a little bit more. Turn this up a little bit. There we go. So like I said, yeah, use my code Chase10 for 10% off. And yeah, I think I'm going to be enjoying my new brand ambassador spot right there. Ooh, it's a difference. It's really a difference. It's really a difference. Of course, you can get your Baking Places hat with me with Baking.Places, but we're talking about the glasses. We're talking about the sunglasses. I really like these, and I'm gonna be, like I said, I'm gonna be buying. I'm gonna try to buy one sunglasses per week. So I gotta buy. I'm gonna say shades. Shades just sound, sorry for the wind. I'm just gonna say shades. Shades just sound better to me. I'm going to be buying a pair of shades probably once a week for all the men collection. Now for the women collection, we're gonna have to do something for the women. I'm probably gonna have to have somebody do something for me or something. You know, get a woman model. I know I got my mama. I got an idea with that. Okay. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Chase Way is out. I'll see y'all in another video. We gone.